Good day, students. Advocate Babasaheb Hunde High School in Avla has come up with a new video. Our today's video is based on Young Scientist. Myself, Mrs. Naira Sheikh, your English 1 teacher, has brought you this video. A fountain at your fingertips. Now, to perform this activity, students, this lesson is basically an activity-based lesson. So, to perform this activity, we'll require a plastic bottle, balloons, a piece of stiff plastic tubes. You can use even pieces of straws or refills, scissor, glue or adhesive tape, etc. Now what is to be done for it? Make a small hole in the lid of a bottle and insert a small plastic tube. Through the hole, secure the tube with the help of glue or adhesive tape. So as you can see in the image here, students, a bottle is taken, a plastic bottle, and the lid is removed. At the edge of the bottle, down, you have made a hole with the help of a screwdriver, okay? And then, even in the cover, you have to place a hole in the center. And once you take that, you add either a tube, it can be either of a straw, a refill, and then you use an adhesive tape and cover it so that it gets a firm footing. Make a small hole in the side of the bottle near its bottom. As you can see, a hole has been made in the bottle at the bottom of it. Insert another piece of the straw or tube in the hole and secure it with the help of glue or adhesive tape. Once again, with the help of adhesive tape and glue, you can paste it all over that so that it gets a firm footing. Now, place a balloon in the water and fit its mouth on the rim of the bottle as shown. So the bottle is now filled with water, students, and the mouth of the balloon has been placed as shown in the image. Now, suck through the hole inside of the bottle. So keep sucking. With the help of the straw, you suck out the water. What do you see? Yes, the balloon gets inflated inside the bottle. The moment you start sucking out the water from the bottle, automatically the balloon starts bloating up inside the bottle itself. Now, cover the hole in the side of the finger with the finger and pour out water into the balloon. Put the lid with the straw on the bottle and screw it on tight. So again you put the lid over the bottle and then you put the screw, attach the screw and put it tight. Now remove your finger from the side hole. What do you see? A fountain leap out of the straw in the lid. You will see from the straw there is a fountain sort of a thing coming out. Water comes out in the shape of a fountain. Note how long your fountain will last. So you have to make a noting of it as to how long the fountain keeps lasting, whether it lasts for a minute, less than a minute or more than a minute. The next activity, a shower at your fingertips. Now to show a shower at our fingertips, we will require a white based can and a tight lid or nail and a hammer. Now what we got to do for it? Make a hole in the base of a can using the nail. We'll make a hole in the end of the can, at the base of it. And take a hammer and hammer it. And the hammer, take care not to hurt your fingers. So you'll make a hole with the help of a screw inside the can at the base of it. But be careful when you're doing so as to not hurt yourself while doing it. Now, make a number of tiny holes in the lid of the can as shown. You can see there is the lid of the can kept down and there are tiny small holes made onto it. See that your holes are evenly spaced as in sieve. So you see that they are at equal distance when you are placing these holes. They are not very close to each other. Now, cover the hole in the base with your finger and fill the can with water. Now you keep your hand below at the base and you fill that can with water. Put the lid with the holes on the can. Then you cover the can with the lid that is having holes put onto it. Invert the can, still holding the finger on the hole. So you keep the finger on the hole itself, and now you put the can in the opposite direction. What will you see? Hold the can over a plant and remove your fingers from the hole. What do you see? Now you keep your can over a plant, place it and remove your finger from the hole. What will you see? Yes, the plant gets a shower, as it is shown in the image here. Now put your finger on the hole again. What happens? The shower stops. The moment you put your finger back onto the other side of the hole, automatically the shower will stop. Use this homemade watering can to water your tiny plants. So in this manner you can water all your tiny plants. Rather than picking up from outside a water can, you can use your bottles or a can or a tin to water your plants. Students, I hope you liked this short video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to avail further notifications of our upcoming videos. Thank you and have a nice day.